This is Krups Arabica Latte coffee machine. It has 4 slots for storing coffee recipes. To change between coffee and cappuccino, this is cappuccino, this is coffee. Uh, 2 recipes on coffee part and 2 recipes on cappuccino mode. So, to store the A or B recipe, just change the recipe or 1 or 2 coffees, then the strength 1 or 2 or 3 coffee beans, then the quantity, and then press the heart icon. This is the A slot. Then the B slot, we change the recipe, then we press the heart icon again, and that's it.